Do you think this lettering needs expensive brush pens or years of practice? Not at all. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create this beautiful glossy 3D shadow lettering using just 4 pens. And the best part? You can recreate this with any colors you already have at home. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to learn how to make this eye-catching brush lettering with the beautiful gradient realistic shadows and glossy highlights. We'll learn everything step by step from writing the letters to adding the final details that make the letter pop. For this tutorial, I am using only 4 pens, one light shade, one dark shade, one black or grey pen for shadows and one white gel pen for highlights. Let's begin by writing our word using the light shade first. Remember the basic rule of brush lettering. Apply light pressure on the upstroke and heavy pressure on the downstrokes to create thick and thin lines. Take your time while writing. Don't rush. The smoother your lettering is, the cleaner the final result will look. Now, let's create the gradient. Take your darker shade and apply it only on the upper part of every downstroke and wherever you want a darker effect. Then gently blend it into the lighter color while the ink is still fresh. This creates a smooth transition between the two shades and gives the lettering much more depth. As you might see in my video, I have tried both the things for you. Firstly, I have put the darker shade at the top and then blend it out with the lighter shade. Else, what you can do is, you can first apply the double coat of the lighter shade and on top of that, you can put the darker shade. Don't worry if you don't have these exact colors. You can use light pink with dark pink, light blue with dark blue, light green with dark green, or honestly any light or dark combination. The same technique works for every color. Now just keep on repeating all the steps again and again. Go with the lighter shade, go with light hands while creating the light strokes. That means while you're going up, make sure that you are creating very light strokes. And when you're coming down and putting pressure, make sure that the strokes are thicker. Now here comes my favorite part, the shadows. Using the dark black pen, draw a thin shadow on one side of every letter, keeping the direction consistent throughout the word. If you want the shadows to be appearing in the inner corner of the alphabets, then go along with the flow. If you do not have gray pen, do not worry. You can simply use a black pen and make the shadows thicker and lighter. This one step instantly makes the lettering look three-dimensional. Here I am completing my alphabets with the gray pen so that it gives some dimension to my alphabets. Finally, use your white gel pen to add tiny highlight strokes and dots wherever light would naturally hit the letters. These little details create a glossy effect and make the lettering look shiny and realistic. It's a small step, but it really makes a huge difference. And that's it. Using just 4 pens, we have created this beautiful glossy brush lettering. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like this video and subscribe because I'll be sharing more brush lettering techniques, color combinations, and easy tutorials for beginners. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Happy lettering!